Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel Vidya for Success. In today's video, let us continue with the discussion of data representation. What is number? Numbers are nothing but symbol having predefined meaning. We also know that in numbers, there are, or else in number system, there are of two types, non-positional number system and positional number system. In positional number system, there are totally four different types. They are, the first one is decimal number system, and the second one is binary number system, and the third one is octal number system, and the fourth one is hexadecimal number system. For all these number systems, we will be considering symbols. I already told you what is a number. A number is nothing but symbol having predefined meaning. We will be using certain symbols. These symbols will be having certain face values. For example, this is one symbol. What is the face value of this symbol? What is the predefined value of this particular symbol? We call it as 5. So, in all these number system, we will be using certain symbols. Depending on how many symbols we will be using, that particular number system will be carrying a terminology called as radix, also called as base of that number system. So, what do you mean by base of a number system, or also called as radix? Base or radix tells us what are the total number of symbols or digits used in a particular number system. So, let us start our discussion with decimal number system. Decimal number system is one of the favorite number system, and it is also mostly used number system in all our computations. In decimal number system, we will be using the following symbols: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, these are the different symbols. Each symbol will be having its own predefined meaning or its own face value. Totally how many symbols we are using here? From 0 to 9, we will be using here totally 10 symbols. So, what is the base or radix of decimal number system? It is 10. So, 10 is the base of decimal number system, or 10 is the radix of decimal number system. Already I told you what is meant by base. Base is nothing but total number of symbols or digits used in a particular number system. So, what is the radix of decimal number system? It is 10. Example for decimal number system, 27 is an example. 501 is an example. 2.536 is also an example. So, here you can notice here the number 27 is made out of two symbols, 2, another one is 7. Similarly, 501 is made out of 3 different symbols. In here we refer them as digits here. Okay, so 5 is one digit, 0 is one digit, and 1 is also another digit. Similarly, 2.536 is another decimal number. Okay, so these are the examples of decimal number system. So, in decimal number system, we come across a terminology called MSD and LSD. What is MSD? Most significant digit, and what is LSD? Least significant digit. Let me consider a number 491. 491 is a number. The number is made out of how many digits? 3 digits. Among these 3 digits, which particular number is carrying the highest value? So, the leftmost digit is referred as MSD here. The most significant digit is, it is carrying the highest value. 4 means here 400. What is the place value of 4? 400. And here the rightmost digit, that is 1, is the least significant digit. It is having its least value. 1 is nothing but here it is representing the units place. So, it is carrying the least value. So, always while talking with the decimal number, we will also consider MSD and LSD. So, I hope you have understood what is decimal number system. Now, let us move on to the second type of positional number system, that is binary number system. Why do we have to consider this binary number system? Binary number system is very important. The reason is all the electronic gadgets are designed to work at binary levels. You cannot consider a gadget or a device to work at different electronic signals. It will be very difficult. For example, consider an analog signal. The analog signal, it varies. It varies at different values. But you cannot consider a gadget, or else you cannot develop a gadget to work at different levels. It will be very difficult. But the best option is to go with digital electronics, or to go with digital circuitry or digital gadgets, which are designed to work at only 2 levels. One is high state, another one is low state. That's why we will be studying here binary number system. What is binary number system then? A number system which employs only 2 symbols or only 2 digits. What are those 2 symbols? 0 is the first symbol or digit, 1 is the second digit. Here 0 indicates false and 1 indicates true, or 0 indicate low signal and 1 indicates high signal. Okay. So, as we know, the computer can understand, it can work with different types of data. It can be text, it can be audio, video, it can work with different types of data, but it can understand only zeros and 1. So, whatever the data it is fed to the computer need to be translated in terms of zeros and 1. So, that is why we need to study binary number system. Okay. So, here what is the base of binary number system? Since we will be using only 2 numbers in binary number system, the base or radix of binary number system is 2. Okay. Next, here let me consider an example for binary number system, binary number 10110101. So, this is an example. So, here we are using sequence of zeros and 1. So, it will be representing a particular number or an alphabet, whatever thing, but it is a binary number here. Okay. So, in binary number, we will be seeing a number system will be using only 2 symbols. That is why the base of the binary number system is 2. Okay. And here, with binary number system, we will be considering again 2 more terminology. Let me tell you what is that. So, first of all, there is a particular terminology called as bit. What is bit? Bit can be either 0 or else it can be 1. So, bit can consider either value 0 or it can consider value 1. So, what is bit? What is abbreviation for bit? The abbreviation is binary digit. Binary digit is the abbreviation. Okay. So, here as I have considered a particular example. In this example, which particular bit is carrying the highest value, and among these sequence of bits, which particular bit is carrying the least value? Always the rightmost bit will be the least significant bit. It is having the least value. Similarly, the leftmost bit will be referred as the most significant bit. It will be carrying the highest value. I hope you have understood. Next, the third type of number system is octal number system. Octal number system. So, what is octal number system? A number system which employs 8 different symbols. What are those different 8 symbols? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are the 8 different symbols that will be used to represent a number in octal. Okay, so these are the different symbols. Since there are only 8 symbols, what is the base or radix of this octal number system? The base or radix of octal number system is 8. Okay, so the base or radix of octal number system is 8. Next, example for octal number system. Always the octal number system, it starts with 0, always. Okay, 0, 50, 54, 0, 54. Okay, so 0 anyhow it comes under octal and followed by 5, 4. Okay, so it is a octal number. Similarly, if I want to represent let us say 326, if I write like this 326, it means then it is a decimal. If I start with 0, then you can understand that this particular number is a octal number. Okay. Next, followed by this, the next variety of number system is hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system. So what do you mean by hexadecimal number system? A number system which employs totally 16 symbols. What are those 16 symbols? We are saying that it is a number system. Number system means we need to use digits. Totally 0 to 9 means 10. At most we can have 10 digits. Then what about the rest of the digits? So please notice here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is not there. Okay, totally 0 to 9 digits followed by A, B, C, D, E, F. So totally we will be employing 16 digits. Okay, how many digits will be using? We will be using 16 digits. So what is the base of hexadecimal number system? 16. Radix is 16. Okay, so we are having an understanding with these digits 0 to 9. Okay, they are numbers, they are having certain face value. What about alphabets here? A, B, C, D. Here A means 10, B means 11, C means 12, D means 13, E means 14 and F means 15. Totally 16 digits. Let me consider an example for hexadecimal number system. Always hexadecimal number system starts with 0 capital X or 0 small x. So 0x 59. So this is a hexadecimal number system. Okay, hexa means 16. So 16 hexadecimal. Similarly 0x 9ac to the base 16. So this is also a hexadecimal number system. Okay, so this is how you are going to represent a hexadecimal number. So in today's video, we came to know, we understood what is meant by a number and what are the different types of number systems, and also we have studied what are the different varieties of positional number system. Thank you.